Hey Lumi team, Trey here. What if selling lights was as easy as pulling out your phone and showing them the finished look? Let me show you how. So first we're going to go up here into the Lumisketch app. Now, the whole reason Lumisketch was built was by contractors, by installers, for installers, install ourselves permanent lighting, and so we needed a tool that worked in the field, so I just wanted to run through some of that with you today. So I picked this image mainly because there's a lot of nooks and crannies. With our tool, you're able to really zoom in and get every little part of that business. Make sure that you cover all the areas of it. You can put a couple dots on those little facets like this if you want one or two. I just skipped over that one for no particular reason. So Lumisketch, very easy to use. So you'll notice that all you need to do is drag these dots from your placement marker right here, and you can drag that onto the canvas. It's going to be a little bit offset from your finger. We put it a little bit above so you can be really accurate, especially if you have big fingers like me. You can really make sure that you get that dot exactly where you want it to go and not mess around with misplacements or anything like that. The app is meant to be very accurate. We want all of our customers and your customers and everybody to be able to show their customers these videos and show them these designs, and it not be a hassle, or you don't have to go home and create it at your house. We wanted it to be really easy so the common person can just open their iPhone, pull open the app, and use something that's nice and easy and produces great results every time. So we're just finishing up here. Right now you can see we have the lights on red and on pulse. A lot of our customers will typically use that for maybe temporary lighting if that's what they want to do. But the best part about Lumisketch, it's really a permanent lighting app. So you'll notice that we can turn our lights to downward or outward just like that. It kind of depends. For a business, we'd have it on outward like this. And then also you can change it from daytime to nighttime. So you'll notice when I hit that, it kind of turned the screen darker. Now here you can also adjust your dot size. You can make that as big as you want. You can make it as small as can be. It's really up to you and your design preference, however you see fit. However good it looks in your picture, that's what you go with. Now, once you turn the downwash on, you can adjust the downwash length. You can actually bring it all the way down to 0, and then you can also bring it all the way up so you get a really long downwash effect. But that also helps depending on your phone. Whether on any phone there's going to be different photo image sizes, and that will make sure it's perfect every time. Now, with the spacing, you can adjust that however you want. For this, obviously, we just have default spacing going on. You can make it really low. You can make it really high. I'll show you a demo of that now. So here you'll see you can place these further and further apart just depending on that spacing. And that just makes it fit every situation you have. You can change the light opacity here. So if you like your lights to be very bright, and if you like them to be very opaque or not show very much, or you want to show that house a little bit more because they have a good house, you can do that. And this right here is the RGB mode. This is going to unlock more of your presets. Pretty similar to how your app functions as well. You can select Easter. You can select all the holidays. There's a ton of options here. So we got Easter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. One of my favorites here is Christmas nights, a little custom color that we had made. But as well, you can change your animations here. So I've got it on pulse, but there's a couple different animations. Speed, you can change the animation, whether it's reversed or not. So here we'll just set it to 27% and we'll reverse the animation, and let's do worms here. So you can see the worms are moving. We'll slow it down even more just so you can see them slow creeping across. So we have multiple worms in there, snake, whatever you like to call it. And then we also have bars. So this will be Just solid bars moving across the screen. Here's a version of outward facing lights, so you can see what it'd be like for a business. All the businesses we work with typically like to see that outward facing more than the downward facing. But for residential, the downward facing looks amazing. So let's try another one here. One of my favorites as well is ping pong. So that's going to take those three colors. It's going to ping pong across the whole lighting system. It's really going to give your customers a feel of what that's going to feel like. So the whole goal of this app was really to be able to put this into the customer's hands, let them play with the lights before they even see them on their building, and let them get hooked on what they're experiencing and what they're going to experience on the building. So it really gives them a sense like no other, that no other app or anything we came across really function this way. So from there, it's nice and easy. You can export your design. You can export it as an image, as a video, whichever one you like. You can send that. Here we'll just export it as a video, and that's it. It will from there it'll let you send it via text, via email. You can use Lumisketch on your phone. You can use it on your tablet, whatever device you want. Apple, Android, it's compatible with all. So that's really it for today. Remember, guys, if you were able to take something from the video and you like the video, drop us a like down below and a subscription. You can redeem your 3-day free trial at lumisketch.net, and you can also use discount code HOLIDAY10 at checkout to get 10% off your monthly subscriptions. Let's light them up, and we'll see you next time.